Gigi Hadid and her little sister Bella made Victoria's Secret fashion show history as the first ever sisters to walk in the show together. Talk about one proud family. So who was glued to their TVs tonight watching the Victoria's Secret fashion show? Not gonna lie, we were dying to see the struts, the outfits, and of course our favorite model sisters, Gigi and Bella. Now Gigi was honored last year by getting to walk in her first ever Victoria's Secret fashion show, and she absolutely killed it. So it was a given that this 21-year-old model would be asked back. But having her own moment to shine this year was her little sis Bella. Making the moment even sweeter, this is the first time sisters ever walked in the same Victoria's Secret fashion show together. And these models even shed a few tears thinking about their accomplishments.
We're really, really honored. I didn't mean to cry. We're so excited. This is so happy. We're a really emotional family.
And you know Gigi and Bella weren't the only ones who were super happy and proud they had made it all the way to the Victoria's Secret fashion show. Their mom, Yolanda Hadid, was front and center cheering them on. Yep, Gigi stepped out in her first look of the night for the opening number, and the cameras panned right to Yolanda, who just couldn't be prouder. Just before the show taped last week, the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star shared a sweet memory of her daughters as kids. 17 years after I photographed my angels, today is the day they will be walking in the fashion show together. Oh, hashtag proud mama all the way. So how cool was it that Gigi and Bella were the first sisters to walk together at the VS show? Let us know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And for more Victoria's Secret fashion show coverage, click the boxes and be sure to subscribe to Hollyscoop for all entertainment news.